Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to build a sales performance dashboard in Looker Studio. Step by step, beginner friendly, and updated for 2026. If you want to clearly track revenue, sales growth, and performance in one place, this guide is for you. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report or open an existing one. Now connect your sales data source. This could be Google Sheets, a CRM export, BigQuery, or GA4 if you're tracking e-commerce. Just make sure you have fields like revenue, orders, leads, and date. Start with key overview metrics. Add scorecards for total revenue, total sales, average order value, and conversion rate if available. These give you a quick snapshot of how sales are performing. So yeah, always place them at the top. Next, add a trend chart. Use a line chart with date as the dimension and revenue or sales as the metric. This helps you spot growth patterns, dips, or seasonality over time, which is super important. Now let's break things down. Add bar charts or tables to show sales by product, region, sales channel, or sales rep. This helps you understand what's actually driving results, not just the totals. Filters make the dashboard more powerful. Add a date range filter so users can compare different time periods. You can also add filters for product category or region to analyze performance in more detail. If needed, create calculated fields. For example, calculate average order value by dividing total revenue by total orders. Custom metrics like this make your dashboard more insightful. Way more useful. Design matters too. Keep the layout clean, align charts properly, and use clear titles. A professional layout makes sales data easier to understand and trust. Before sharing, switch to view mode, test filters, change dates, and confirm all charts update correctly. And that's it. By using scorecards, trend charts, breakdowns, filters, and clean design, you can build an effective sales performance dashboard in Looker Studio. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and Rose.